Hello everyone, my name is Michael. Here I'm to introduce a new product called Gshine Car Mount. Every time we're driving, our phone need to secure somewhere. The best choice to hold your phone is to use a car mount. But sometimes we'll find a problem is when we want to take off our phone, it's very hard. And this product solves the problem. It's called a record system inside, and it's very easy to use and no electricity inside. So every time we use it, just use your phone. Your hand stays on your phone anytime. Okay, just use your phone to push down here, the feet here, push down feet here, and the clip open. And the record system helps the clip opens all the time until next time you use your phone to push the trigger at the back. Okay, after secure your phone stays secured, and the strong clipping system helps the phone stays very strong, and it wouldn't be shaken in any cases. For example, when you're driving your car on the bumpy roads and trying to drive in some country roads, and it wouldn't give problems. See, it's very secure and strong clipping. Okay, and when the emergency phone calls comes in, or you want to send your Twitter sometimes, or the Twitter news comes in, you want to see the message, okay, just push down and take phone in 1 second, and you will see any news in 1 second. It's very easy, and your hand stays on your phone. You don't need to open and do anything on this car mount. Okay, it's another point here is this product looks very big, but it's not, because this product has a strong clip design over here. When your phone case has a thick phone case, or sometimes you have a battery case, but this wouldn't be a problem for this car mount. See, this special design helps to use your phone in any phone cases. Okay. Also, I would like to introduce two other products of this Gshine Car Mount. This product is a wireless charging car mount, and have a wireless charging panel inside, and has 5 volts and 10 volts. Okay, 2 levels, and it can charge your wireless phone. Sometimes it's very easy. It's also made by record system. Okay, see it. Okay, we have another product. This product, some other phone in the world do not have functions like wireless charging, and we want to use it charging your phone very quickly when you're driving. Okay, so we can see here it's a magnetic cable, and you can also charge your phone very easily. Let's see here, it's very easy design. Okay, and next, see here is all the products I want to introduce by today. Okay, thank you everyone.